Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine. In this YouTube channel you will learn fundamentals of computer. This video contains 25 questions with answer, so follow me till the end of this video. The first question will be, the first question is question number 1. Question number 1 says, cache memory acts between blank and blank. A. CPU and RAM. B. RAM and ROM. C. CPU and hard disk. D. All of the above. The answer for this question is A. Choice A is the answer. That is CPU and RAM. Okay, the second question. Question number 2. Question number 2. In how many generations a computer can be classified? In how many generations a computer can be classified, or computer can be classified into blank? A3, B4, C5, D6. The answer for this question is C. C is the answer. There are 5 generations of computer. Question number 3. Question number 3 is about scanner. What is the function of scanner? A. It allows user to enter data to the computer. B. It converts soft copy, text, drawing or other images into a hard copy. C. It converts soft copy, text, drawing or other images into computer's digital form. D. None of the above. The answer for this question is C. Choice C is the answer. This scanner converts soft copy, text, drawing or other image into computer's digital form. So the answer is C. Let us go to question number 4. Question number 4 says, which computers are used in banking, railways and airlines? A. Mini computer. B. Microcomputer. C. Supercomputer. D. Mainframe computer. The answer is D. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer are used in banking, railways and airlines. Question number 5. Question number 5. In computer, the abbreviation OCR stands for A. Optical card reader. B. Office cash receiver. C. Online computer retrieval. D. Optical character recognition. The answer is choice D. Optical character recognition. Let us go to question number 6. What is the purpose of UPS? You know UPS. You are asked to choose the purpose of UPS. A. Used for storage of data. B. Provides backup power. C. Increase the speed of a computer. D. All of the above. The answer is choice B. It provides backup power. This is the purpose of UPS. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, key of keyboard which is used to get back to the beginning of a document is called. That means back to the beginning of a document means back, to turn to back. Choice A. Home key. B. End key. C. SCK. D. F12 The answer is choice A. Home key is used to get back to the beginning of a document. Let us go to question number 8. Question number 8 is also about keyboard. A keyboard that enables the user to avoid currently selected option or task on the computer is called A. F7 key. B. F4 key. C. ESC. D. End key. The answer is choice C. ESC. It enables the user to avoid currently selected option or task on the computer. Let us go to question number 9. Question number 9 is about monitor. What is the output shown on a computer monitor called? The output shown on a computer monitor called A. Screen copy, B. hard copy, C. soft copy, D. video. Choice C is the answer, soft copy. Question number 10. The printed output from a computer is called blank. A. Screen copy, B. hard copy, C. soft copy, D. video. The answer is hard copy. B. Choice B is the answer. Question number 11. Question number 11. Programs stored in ROM are called blank. Programs stored in ROM are called blank. A. Fireware, B. firmware, C. firmware, D. malware. The answer is choice C. Let us go to question number 12. Dot matrix printer is an example of A. laser printer, B. impact printer, C. thermal printer, D. none of the above. The answer is choice B, impact printer. This dot matrix printer is an impact printer. Question number 13 is about central processing unit. The central processing unit consists of blank. A. input, output and processing, B. control unit, primary and secondary storage, C. control unit, processing and primary storage, D. control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. The answer for this question is D. The central processing unit consists of control unit, arithmetic logic unit and primary storage. It consists of these three things. Question number 14. Operating system is the intermediary between programs and blank. A. utilities, B. Ethernet, C. hardware, D. user interface. The answer is choice D. The next question is question number 15. Question number 15. Which of the following operating system doesn't support more than one program at the same time? A. DOS, B. Mac, C. Linux, D. Windows. The answer is DOS. It doesn't support more than one program. Question number 16. Question number 16. Control plus A is used. A. to bold, B. to save, C. to select whole area, D. none of this. The answer is C. Choice C is the answer. Control plus A is used to select whole area. Question number 17. Which of the following is an example of an output device? A. printer, B. monitor, C. both A and B, D. mouse. The answer is choice C. Printer and monitor are output device. Question number 18. Question number 18. Which function key is used to open the save as dialog box? Save as dialog box. A. F4, B. F6, C. F9, D. F12. The answer is D. F12 is used to open the save as dialog box. Question number 19. It's about binary number. What is an example of a binary number? Or which of the following is an example of a binary number? A. 0, 1, B. 1 and 2, C. 2 and 3, D. 3 and 4. The answer is A. 0 and 1 are binary numbers. Question number 20. Bits stand for A. Bin file, B. bin digits, C. binary digits, D. all of these. The answer is choice C. Binary digit. Bits means binary digits. Question number 21. Windows 7 was released on 22 October 2002, B. 22 October 2003, C. 22 October 2005, D. D 22 October 2009. The answer is D. It was released 22 October 2009. Let us go to question number 22. Which of the following is or are the logic gate? A and, B or, C not, D all. The answer is all. These all are the logic gates, are said to be logic gates. Question number 23. What to press to open find dialog box? What to press to open find dialog box? A Ctrl plus F, B Ctrl plus Alt plus F, C Tab plus F, D Alt plus F. The answer is A. The answer is A. Ctrl plus F. Question number 24. Question number 24. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Word? What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Word? A 100%, B 200%, C 400%, D 500%. The answer is D. Question 24 is D. 500 is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Word. Question number 25. Question number 2. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Excel and MS PowerPoint? A 500%, B 400%, C 300%, D 100%. The answer is choice B. Okay, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe this YouTube channel to obtain another videos for the future. So please put your like or comment in this video or below this video. So thank you very much. Till you the next time. Bye.